Oh, hi, I'm Dingo. And I'm eating chocolate chip cookies from Chips Ahoy. It's so, it's so chocolate chips. The cookies made of chocolate chips on the inside. And look, it looks like a little C. This one, it looks like a little C. A C is for camel, and also C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. Good enough for me. I wanted to know you were about to begin. Well, smells like poopies outside in that space day truck. And also, well, so that tape will be premiered on the Cartoon Network. Cookies good. Yep, sounds like Cookie Monster did. Cookie.
No, no.
Yep, that was the word said. Enough is enough from J.C. Penney.
No!
Cookie. Get away from my cat!